Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome in.
Thank you. Is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down.
Great. This place looks very nice.
Thanks. A lot of people like it here.
It's my first time here.
Oh, really? Welcome then.
Thanks. Can I see the menu?
Of course. Here you go.
Wow, there are many drinks.
Yes, we have coffee, tea, and smoothies.
What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular.
Is it strong?
Not too strong. It's smooth and creamy.
That sounds good. I'll try a latte.
Sure. What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's a little cold today.
I agree.
Do you have anything to eat?
Yes, we have croissants, muffins, and sandwiches.
The croissant sounds good.
Butter croissant or chocolate croissant?
Butter, please.
Great choice.
How much is everything?
The latte and croissant are $6.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, that's fine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
How long will it take?
About 3 minutes.
Perfect. I'm a little hungry.
Yeah, I know. I skipped breakfast today.
Do you work here every day?
Yes, almost every day.
You must know many customers.
Yes, many people come every morning.
That's nice. It feels friendly here.
I'm glad you think so.
Thank you.
Here is your latte and croissant.
Wow, it looks great.
Be careful, the coffee is hot.
Thank you for the warning.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Hi, sorry to bother you.
No problem. How can I help?
I'm trying to find the subway station.
The subway station?
Yes, is it near here?
Yes, it's not far.
That's good. I'm a little lost.
Don't worry, this area is confusing at first.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure, go straight down this street.
Just go straight?
Yes, for about 2 blocks.
Okay, 2 blocks.
Then turn right at the traffic light.
Turn right at the light. Got it.
After that, you'll see a big bank on the corner.
A big bank?
Yes, the subway entrance is next to it.
Oh, that sounds easy.
It is. You should see the sign for the subway.
How long does it take to walk there?
Maybe 5 minutes.
That's not bad at all.
No, it's very close.
Do all trains stop there?
Yes, most of them do.
I need to go downtown.
Then take the blue line.
The blue line.
Yes, the platform is downstairs.
Perfect. Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
Is there a ticket machine there?
Yes, right near the entrance.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash.
Great, that helps a lot.
I'm glad I could help.
Sorry again for stopping you.
No problem at all.
Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck finding the station.
Excuse me.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for the bread.
The bread is in aisle 4.
Aisle 4?
Yes, just walk straight and turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, one more question.
Sure.
Do you have fresh bread today?
Yes, we do. It came this morning.
That's great.
Are you looking for white bread or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, please.
Then I recommend this one.
It looks good.
It's very popular with customers.
How much is it?
It's $3.
That's not bad.
Would you like anything else?
Yes, I also need milk.
The milk is in the refrigerator section.
Is it far from here?
No, just behind you.
Oh, I see it now.
We have low-fat milk and regular milk.
I'll take low-fat milk.
Good choice.
Do you also sell eggs?
Yes, next to the milk.
Perfect. I'll take a dozen eggs.
Anything else today?
Maybe some fruit.
The fruit section is near the entrance.
Are the apples fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
Great. I'll take some apples too.
Red apples or green apples?
Red apples, please.
Good choice. They're very sweet.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I'll go to the checkout now.
The checkout is at the front.
Thanks again.
Have a great day.
Hi there.
Oh, hi.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thanks. It's a beautiful day today.
Yes, the weather is really nice.
I like coming to this park.
Me too. It's very peaceful here.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
Really? This is my first time here.
Oh, welcome then.
Thanks. I just moved to this neighborhood.
That's exciting. When did you move?
About 2 weeks ago.
Do you like it so far?
Yes, I do. People seem very friendly.
I'm glad to hear that.
My name is Daniel, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like walking and listening to music.
That sounds relaxing. What about you?
I like reading books in the park.
That's a good idea.
Sometimes I also bring coffee and sit here.
That sounds nice.
Do you live close to the park?
Yes, about 10 minutes away.
That's perfect. What about you?
I live across the street.
Wow, that's very close.
Yes, I can come here anytime.
Do you know any good cafes around here?
Yes, there's a great one near the corner.
Really? What's it called?
It's called Sunny Cafe.
I'll check it out.
Their coffee is very good.
Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome.
I'm glad I sat here today.
Me too. It's nice meeting new people.
Maybe we can meet here again sometime.
Sure, that would be nice.
Have a great day, Lisa.
You too, Daniel.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, I'm looking for the HR office.
Oh, are you new here?
Yes, today is my first day.
Welcome to the company.
Thank you.
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel.
Do you work here?
Yes, I work in the marketing department.
That's interesting.
What department are you joining?
I'm joining the IT team.
Oh, the IT office is on the second floor.
Great. I have a meeting with the manager.
With Mr. Johnson?
Yes, that's right.
He's very friendly, don't worry.
That's good to hear. I'm a little nervous.
That's normal on the first day.
How long have you worked here?
About 3 years now.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, I really like this company.
That's good.
Do you already have your ID card?
Not yet. I think I need to get it from HR.
Yes, they will give it to you.
Is there a coffee machine in the office?
Yes, there is one in the kitchen.
Perfect. I love coffee in the morning.
Me too. I drink coffee every day.
Where is the kitchen?
It's down the hall, next to the meeting room.
Great. I'll check it out later.
Do you usually start work at 9?
Yes, that's my schedule.
Same here.
Thanks for helping me.
No problem.
I feel more comfortable now.
I'm glad I could help.
See you around the office.
See you, Daniel. Good luck on your first day. Hey, Daniel.
Hi, Emma.
Are you going to lunch now?
Yes, I'm starting to get hungry.
Me too.
Do you usually eat in the office?
Sometimes, but today I want to go out.
That sounds good.
There's a small restaurant near here.
Really? What kind of food do they have?
Mostly sandwiches and salads.
That sounds perfect for lunch.
The prices are good too.
Great. Let's go together.
Sure, it's just around the corner.
Is it far from here?
No, about a 3-minute walk.
That's very close.
Do you like sandwiches?
Yes, especially chicken sandwiches.
They have a really good grilled chicken sandwich.
Then I will try that.
I usually order the tuna sandwich.
Do they have soup?
Yes, they have tomato soup and vegetable soup.
Tomato soup sounds nice.
The restaurant is usually busy at lunchtime.
That's okay. We still have time.
How long is your lunch break?
1 hour.
Same here.
Perfect.
Do you bring lunch from home sometimes?
Yes, when I'm trying to save money.
That's smart.
But today I feel like eating out.
Me too.
Is the restaurant crowded today?
It doesn't look too busy.
That's good.
Let's get a table over there.
Good idea.
What would you like to drink?
Maybe iced tea.
I'll get a lemonade.
Sounds refreshing.
I'm glad we decided to go out.
Me too. It's nice to get some fresh air. Hello.
Hi there, welcome.
Thank you. Do you have a table for two?
Yes, of course. Please follow me.
This table is perfect.
Here are the menus.
Thanks.
Take your time.
Everything looks good.
Yes, this place is popular for lunch.
What are you thinking of ordering?
Maybe the grilled chicken sandwich.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I might get the tuna sandwich.
Do you want soup too?
Maybe. Let me see.
The tomato soup is very good here.
Okay, I'll try the tomato soup.
Good choice.
Hi, we're ready to order.
Sure, what would you like?
I'll have the tuna sandwich and a tomato soup.
And what would you like to drink?
Lemonade, please.
Great. And you?
I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich.
Would you like fries or salad with that?
Fries, please.
And something to drink?
Iced tea.
Perfect. I'll bring your drinks first.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm really hungry today.
Me too. I didn't eat breakfast.
That explains it.
Lunch will taste even better now.
I like this restaurant already.
Yes, it's very cozy.
And the service is friendly.
That's always important.
Here come our drinks.
That was quick.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I hope the food is good.
I'm sure it will be.
This is a nice lunch break.
Yes, it's a good way to relax.
We're back.
That was a nice lunch break.
Yes, I needed that.
Me too. I feel more relaxed now.
What time is it?
It's almost 2 p.m.
We still have time before the meeting.
That's good. I need to finish a report.
What kind of report?
A weekly sales report.
Sounds important.
Yes, my manager wants it today.
Do you need any help?
Thanks, but I think I'm okay.
All right.
What about you?
I need to check some emails.
First day and already busy.
Yes, but it's good to stay active.
That's a good attitude.
By the way, where is the meeting room?
It's down the hall next to the kitchen.
Room 204, right?
Yes, that's the one.
What time is the meeting?
At 3 p.m.
Do I need to prepare anything?
Just introduce yourself to the team.
Okay, that sounds simple.
Everyone is friendly here.
That's good to know.
You will like working here.
I hope so.
If you need anything, just ask.
Thanks, Emma. I appreciate that.
No problem.
I'll start working now.
Good idea.
See you at the meeting later.
See you there.